Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about requirement traceability metrics in JIRA. So the multiple tools which can be used in JIRA, right? So if you don't have all those plugins or the license is not available, so you can simply use JIRA and make the simple requirement traceability matrix, right? So I'll show you how to do it. So it's very simple. I think it will take just few minutes to create that. Let me open my JIRA. So this is the JIRA. Now go to project and select the project. I've got demo project. And now go to backlog. Okay, so I have one epic which has all the traceability. So let's select one of the which is one of the epic, which is demo 2. So demo 2 is one epic. So I pulled this. This is my requirement. Okay. So I'm going to do a traceability matrix from here. So under this requirement, I have two user story, demo 40 and demo 41. Okay. If I click on this, I've got task. So if you see the many tasks which is there, the first is development task or the coding task. Okay, you can call it whichever. And then against that development activity, I have a unit testing task. Against unit testing or against development task, I have a code review testing task, right? That means whatever development work has been done, you have a code review task against the development task. Then the test case creation, that means whatever test case that is going to be created against this user story or development activity, so that will be done and tracked through this task. Then that review will happen. So like we have the review for development activity, similarly we have a review for the test case creation. And then the execution. So once the development is done, everything is done, so the execution can be done. And then once the execution is done, so the build will be deployed and it will go for demo. So that demo will happen. And once the demo is done, the customer will want to accept the story or share the feedback. So you can cater that feedback in this task. And that's how you can this is very simple way to do the requirement traceability from the requirement to the delivery of requirement to the customer. That is what is called requirement traceability matrix. That means from this requirement to the delivery to the customer is called the requirement traceability matrix, and everything can be tracked, that what has happened and on which stage. So that is a simple way to do it. Similarly, I have another requirement, same requirement, I have another user story. So one of them is done, another one is in progress. So let's open this also and see. Suddenly I have another. So this is a user story 2. And then against that, I've got development task, unit testing task, code review task, test case creation, test execution, and demo. So currently the demo work is in progress. So once the demo is done, we're going to do with the acceptance. So either the acceptance will be done from the customer or we're going to have a feedback. And depending on that feedback, we'll have to work so that it gets taken care of delivery of user story for this requirement. So that is all from my side. So though we have multiple tools or plugins which is available, like for you can plug in different tools like code review. You have a Git, you can connect the Git repository with this and you can track it, right? But if you don't have, you can do it from here. And if you have a unit testing tool, you can also link to JIRA, whichever tool that is supported by JIRA. There is X-ray, which is used for writing a test case and executing it and creating a cycle, so that can also be plugged in. But if you don't have those tools and the license is not available, you can simply use JIRA, and you just only have a license for JIRA. You can use it and create the requirement traceability metrics from here. So you can track it from requirement to the complete delivery of the requirement to the customer. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please post your query. I'll respond it. Thank you so much.